Hello and welcome to this instructional video showing you how easy it is to convert your customers over to CSP through Data. This process is the same for any of your customers with existing tenants, no matter how they previously acquired their licensing. Firstly, what you want to do is head on over to mbz.nz/configure. So that's Mario Bravo Zulu.November Zulu/configure. What this link has is a guide explaining the process of configuring your tenant, allowing them to receive CSP licensing. You'll be required to do this once for each of your customers. Now the first step is to open up this link here. Sign into the Office 365 portal using your customer's admin. This will take you through to your company's admin portal. What you want to do is click up on the edit button in the top right corner and ensure that all the details are filled out on the following page, including the organisation name, address, contact details and a technical contact email address. Go ahead and save that one and return back to the PDF document explaining the guide for configuring CSP. Now the next step is to open up the following link. What this will do is allow you to configure Data to this particular tenant. It'll ask you to accept the Microsoft Cloud Solution Provider invitation, and then you'll need to sign in, or if you're already signed in with the correct email address, it will take you through to the following page. Accept the terms and conditions, which can be found here on that link, and click Authorize CSP. After a short while, it will take you back to the Partner Relationships page. Hit refresh and ensure that a CSP provider is shown in that list. Your customer tenant's now ready to receive CSP licensing. So what we want to do is go ahead and order it. Mario Bravo Zulu.November Zulu again /ordering. This will take you through to our guide that explains the ordering process for CSP. Head on down to the first page where there's a link to an email template to make ordering easier. Go ahead and open that in OneDrive. You'll need to click it and download it. OneDrive will occasionally ask you to sign in as well to access this document. Find whereabouts you saved your new Outlook email template. I happen to have one on my desktop pre-prepared. Open up that email and get ready to send your first order through to Data. Fill out your reseller details. You'll also need to add some customer entry details, such as the license type. Perhaps it's Business Premium this time around. You'll also want the number of licenses for your customer. And go and find your customer domain, put it into the details as well. Once you have that all filled out, there's also an optional credit card section at the bottom. If you have a customer paying Microsoft directly or under the advisor model where they use the credit card payments, you can use the section to ask Data to log a support request to cancel the subscription. If you don't have a credit card to cancel, simply hit send to fire the email off to Data and request the new licenses to be added to your customer tenant. You will eventually receive a confirmation email back from Data where you'll be able to see which licenses have been added and see in the top left corner that they are for the correct customer. It'll also give you the reseller details based on the MPN ID that you've provided us in the previous steps. To check if your customers' licenses have been added correctly, head on back to their portal. Scroll down into Billing, and unfortunately CSP doesn't show up under Subscriptions, it will only show up under the Licenses tab. When you click on Licenses, you'll see here that there's a valid number of 28. This is actually a combination, it's a pool of all of the licenses available on the tenant, and in this particular tenant we've got a trial of 25, visible here under the Subscriptions page, and under the licenses we've provided 3 CSP licenses. When the trial expires, 25 will fall out of that valid column and over into the expired column, and you'll still have the 3 valid CSP Business Premium licenses. So long as your customer doesn't have more licenses assigned than they have available under CSP, there won't be any issues with your customer continuing on with no effect. In order to start using these licenses, you will have to assign your users to it. Scroll up to the Active Users section, find the account that you would like to assign the licenses to, hit Edit, and then simply click on the license that you would like for your customer. You'll note here that it gives you the available licenses. If you have any queries about the number of licenses available on your tenant, please don't hesitate to give us a call. And that's it. You're ready to go. Your CSP licenses are available for your customer straight away. If you've got any queries whatsoever, please don't hesitate to give the team at Data a call on 0800 DD Sales or sales@dicadata.co.nz. Thanks for your time and enjoy using CSP.